Today's adventure, we're going waterfall chasing. We have a tour guide this time, official tour guide. He said we have what, like 3 waterfalls in the same area. We're gonna go try find those. I mean, it's a nice day out. It was kind of shaky this morning, but we're good now. We're going to see what's going to happen and enjoy ourselves. We're waiting on some friends. In the meantime, drink a cold Hyroon, not old. Unfortunately, because our vehicle is too low, we can't go all the way up. So the hike begins now. Man, it seems like if every time I go somewhere, all the vehicle I'm using, it's always too low, so I can't go as far as I'm supposed to. So my hike becomes longer than everybody else's own. I don't understand why, but onto it. It is flat. Let's hear. Andia, you're accustomed to making hike, you look like you don't bother now. You exercise? Alright. So, this should be a 35-minute hike. I think we have like 2 or 3 waterfalls. Our tour guide is telling us he's all the way to the front. But yeah, he said there is 3. I don't know if we will see all 3 because we're behind time. But anyway. Alright. Fresh raspberry.
You just eat it.
Oh boys, leave them alone.
Does he want them raspberry?
Oh, something.
Cherry?
Oh, damn it.
Yeah. Yeah, raspberry.
You see that?
Inside. Fancy the drink.
Let me see.
Take off the top of that.
Wild raspberry.
Coca-Cola.
The road is move. Making it to the face with it. Yeah. Like nothing. Like you walk into that.
Good?
Actually, I see. The same moving, eh? Yeah, the same. No.
You good?
Put the wire foot. Don't have two foot.
Alright, so we come over to me. Right, so.
Mm-hmm. Nah.
Can you put that along here? Over. Let's go, we
just when trying to find the other fall up to the top. No fall. We tried finding a way above that. There's no way above that. Not even if you go around, there's nothing. So I guess I'm gonna end it here. You know? 2 waterfalls one day. And that's a good accomplishment for me. This is the end. Stay adventurous.